park was quiet under the moonlight when Max, a curious little fox, spotted a glowing balloon above the fountain. "Did you see that, Lily?" he whispered. Lily, a clever rabbit, frowned. "It's moving."
Are you tired of trying different AI tools just to make long videos, but the character keeps changing, the quality breaks, or the tool suddenly asks you to pay? You're not alone. This is the biggest struggle for most creators. But today, I'll show you how to create long, smooth, and fully consistent AI videos. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, even half an hour, with one simple free tool and 0 watermarks. And the best part? The method is so easy that anyone can follow it. So stay with me, because I'm about to show you everything step by step. So the name of this free AI tool is Grok AI. It is easy, fast, and powerful, and it allows you to create long AI videos in any style you want within minutes. To begin, open Google and search for Grok AI. Click on the first result, and you will land on the tool's homepage. Complete the quick sign up, and your dashboard will appear. Once you are on the dashboard, you are completely ready to start creating your long AI videos. Now let us adjust a few basic settings. Click on the Settings tab, open the Behavior section, and turn off the last automatic video generation option. This ensures that the tool will not generate anything on its own, and you will have complete creative control over your videos. Now let's move into the content creation part. First, go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a short story in your desired style. I already have my prompt, so I will simply paste it into the prompt box, and ChatGPT will instantly generate a short Pixar-style story for me that I will use in this tutorial. Our story is now complete. Next, I will ask ChatGPT to generate prompts for each scene of the story, so that each new scene naturally continues from the last one, keeping the entire story clear, connected, and easy to follow from start to finish. Now you can see that all the scene-by-scene prompts are ready. Each scene follows the last one naturally, and we are ready to turn them into a complete long video. Let's start with the first scene. Copy your first scene prompt, go to Grok AI, switch from video to image, and select your preferred aspect ratio. Paste your prompt in the prompt box. After that, click Generate, and Grok AI will produce several images for the scene. Choose the image you like and click on Make Video. Grok AI will then create the video for your first scene. Our first video scene is ready within seconds. You can download it directly. Now let us create the second scene. To maintain the flow, play the first scene up to the last frame, right-click, and select Copy Video Frame. Paste that frame into the Imagine prompt box. You will now see the last frame of the first scene appear for the second scene. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second scene prompt, paste it in the prompt box, and click Make Video. Grok AI will begin generating the second scene. Within a few moments, the second scene will be complete, and you will notice the continuity is perfect. Download the scene. Now let's move to the third one. Follow the same steps again. Play the second scene, copy its last frame, and paste it into the Imagine box. Return to ChatGPT, copy the third scene prompt, paste it here, and hit Generate. Grok AI will create the third scene. And just like that, the third scene is ready with smooth flow and perfect consistency. I repeated the same method and created all the scenes needed for my story. I downloaded each clip. Now that all scene clips are complete, the next step is editing them into one long video. But before that, we need a voiceover. For this, we will use Google AI Studio, a free AI voice generator. You will find the link in the description. Click on the single speaker audio option, choose a voice you like, copy your script, and paste it into the text area and hit Generate. Within seconds, the voiceover will be ready. Listen to the voiceover, and when it sounds right to you, simply download the file. After that, we'll move on to the editing step. You can use any editor you like, but for this video, I'm using CapCut. I opened a new project in CapCut, and now I will import all my video clips along with the voiceover. After that, I'll place everything on the timeline in the correct order, adjust the visuals to match the narration, and fine-tune the timing. Once this is done, my complete long video will be fully ready. Once I was done with the editing, I simply exported my video, and here's the final result.
The park was quiet under the moonlight when Max, a curious little fox, spotted a glowing balloon above the fountain. "Did you see that, Lily?" he whispered. Lily, a clever rabbit, frowned. "It's moving, but there's no wind." Suddenly, the balloon zipped toward the old carousel. Max's heart raced. Should we follow it? Before they could decide, the balloon popped and a tiny map fluttered into their paws. "A treasure map?" Lily gasped. They tiptoed through the shadowy hedges, but a shadow darted past them. "Something's watching us," Max whispered. Under the giant oak tree, they found a hidden door. The map glowed, pointing inside. They pushed it open and the ground trembled. A spiral tunnel led them into a magical underground world filled with glowing lanterns and mysterious creatures. A gentle voice whispered, "Welcome, seekers." Max and Lily grinned at each other, hearts pounding, ready for the adventure ahead.
Now that you've seen the full process and the final result, you can clearly feel how easy and exciting this method is. You can also create your own long AI videos for free, with no limits and no restrictions. Everything works smoothly, every step stays simple, and you can make any style of long video you imagine. So go ahead, try it yourself, and enjoy creating unlimited long videos with complete freedom. And finally, if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, tell us in the comments how many long videos you have created. We will continue sharing more powerful and helpful AI tutorials for you. See you in the next video. Take care, and thanks for watching.